Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your boy Terry. Yo, check it out. I want to show you guys something on the mighty Trailblazer SS and Trailblazer SS-like vehicles, and this may go through all GM automotive vehicles. I'm not sure. I just know that it's on this one. But let me show you something. If ever you get stuck, right, and the shifter, check it out. Now, I'm putting the car back together because I replaced the transmission. I had to replace the shifter linkage, so that's why it's all in this array. But if ever you get to a situation where the shifter doesn't want to shift, all right, there's a fuse. But if you're in a situation where you can't replace the fuse to make it shift, check this out. You hold this button right here, and look, you're able to shift. If you're somewhere and you have to get home, all you gotta do is pull up on this shifter boot. Right in here, there's like a piece of plastic, which you can't see it covers it, but you can stick your hand right in there, finger in there, and you will be able to shift. Whereas if you don't do that, it's locked, it's not gonna move. That's a little quick tip, just in case you have to get your car in gear and for some reason doesn't want to get in gear. All you gotta do is, like I said, pull that boot up, hit that little button, and you'll be able to shift and get your car on home, all right? So as always, be easy. Catch you guys soon.